I just had to squeeze my button a few times. I'm Andre Lotterer. I'm a world endurance racer, and I am invited here at the Monte-Carlo Rally to be a passenger. And race car drivers are not good passengers, but it's okay. It's with Thierry Neuville, so he's world champion. I think I'm in good hands, and yeah, it's going to be fun. But yeah, I might with my pants.
Too fat.
We can lose 2 drivers and 1 car in one go. That's what we call a strike. Driver is the worst passenger you can have.
Vois l'heure. Et puis 18h. Ok, dans une minute. Je le mets dedans, tu fermes la vitre. Un petit peu. Ça va? Ouais. Là, quand tu es passé, ah, c'est beau ici. Ouais, c'est bon.
It's amazing, super cool what he's doing behind the wheel. When you don't know where it's going, in the dark, the high-speed stuff, I thought it was gonna go left, so it needs to brake, and then yeah, so I had to squeeze my butt a few times, but I had a big smile, and it's impressive to see what the car can do. It's super cool. I'd like to have another go, or even drive it one day. That's cool, huh? Stops, you know, it's like, okay, now we're reaching high speed, it's slippery, is the thing gonna stop? Just stops, it's good, yeah, no, it's nice.